Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to start your day off right with 5 easy and delicious breakfast ideas that will keep you energized and ready to take on the day. Whether you're a busy professional or a student, these quick and easy recipes will help you stay on track and make sure you never skip breakfast again. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get cooking. First, make jammy egg toast. Start by toasting a teaspoon of everything bagel seasoning. Mix it with Greek yogurt and spread it on the toast. Boil an egg for 7 minutes, peel it and cut it in half. Add the egg to the toast, and top it with microgreens, herbs, and chili onion crunch. Try Vietnamese coffee granola if you like cereal and coffee. Mix rolled oats, cashews, pecans, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, ground espresso, cinnamon, cardamom, salt, coconut oil, and condensed milk. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cool, add dried fruits or chocolate chips, and store it in an airtight container. Top it with your favorite fruits and milk to enjoy. Make a veggie scramble pita for breakfast on the go. Cut red bell peppers, zucchini, and a red onion into quarter cups. Mince a garlic clove. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl. Heat a frying pan and add olive oil. Sauté the vegetables for 2 minutes, then add salt, pepper, cumin, and oregano. Pour the eggs into the pan and scramble them. Stuff the scramble into a pita and enjoy. Once the waffle is ready, I like to top it with some butter, a drizzle of maple syrup, and a sprinkle of powdered sugar. You can also add some fresh fruit or whipped cream if you want to make it even more indulgent. Finally, we have a classic breakfast dish with a twist, sweet potato breakfast hash. To start, I peel and dice 2 medium sweet potatoes into small cubes. I also dice half an onion and a red bell pepper. Next, I heat up some oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and add the sweet potatoes, onion, and bell pepper. I season it with salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and garlic powder, and sauté everything together for about 15 minutes or until the sweet potatoes are fork tender. To finish off the dish, I crack 2 eggs over the hash and let them cook until the whites are set but the yolks are still runny. You can also add some crumbled bacon or sausage if you want to make it heartier. These 5 easy breakfast ideas are perfect for busy mornings or lazy weekends. They are simple, delicious, and packed with nutrients to help you start your day off right. Give them a try and let me know which one is your favorite.